Hey, welcome to the third use case of Google Bart coding exercise. So what we will do is this is a code snippet from my other Udemy course. So I would be providing this as input to Google Bart to help it understand what this code does. So before Google Bart looks into this, let me tell you what this does. So this uses a Python framework called Streamlit, where you can provide URL of any YouTube video and you can pick whether you want the output as audio, higher resolution, or the lower resolution YouTube video, and it will download the video based on what option you select, or you can also view the video in place. That's basically what this code does. So now let me ask Google Bart, what does this code do? Okay, so is this optimized code? Cool. So okay, so it actually split the code into here, and okay, uh where is the download option? Okay, and can this be a custom location which user provides? Cool. Okay. So now it was previously downloading in the directory where you were running the code. So what I asked it was, can I download it into a custom location? It thinks it can do that, and it provided the output here. So this seems pretty cool. And what I now need is, if I need to roll this service, how do I how do I integrate this with Google login? Let's see if it's able to do this, because at the moment I don't know how to integrate this too. Okay, so okay, that seems cool. So yeah, it seems to able to do a lot more than what I thought it could, and this seems pretty interesting. So it can also interpret the code, and let's take another example just for confirmation that it was not a okay. So here's another example which I have, wherein this is an animate chart example with Plotly. So let's understand if Google Bart knows what this is. What does code do? Okay, so can this be used on real-time data from GCP? Cool. Yeah. Okay. So this is definitely seems interesting, and it seems to understand the code and explain. And I think this is really would save a lot of time when you are working, but I'm not really sure, given the data privacy laws, how if many offices would allow you to update your Google data into here. But this is definitely helpful for your personal projects or your college projects you are trying to do. This is definitely worth a shot. I hope this helps. Thank you for joining.